Today we are doing long division.
Division is 1,765 divided by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's a multiples. Then we do 10 into 1 is 0. So then we do 10 into 17, that equals 1 time. So we do 17 minus 10, and that is 7. So we bring down the 6, and that is 76. So 76 goes in the middle of 17 and 80, so it goes 7 times. And then we do 76 minus 70 equals 6. Then we bring down the 5, and that is 65. And that is in the middle of 60 and 70. So we write 60, and that is 65 minus 60 is 5. And we write the 6 for the multiple. And then, so we usually stop here with the remainder, but now we continue until we have 2 decimal points. So we add a 0, and then we add a 0 beside the 5, and then it's 5 times in the 10 times table. So we write 5, and then 50 minus 50 is 0. Then we bring down another 0, and we stop here. So it's 100. 1,766.50.
Thank you for watching.